Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Fly fishing again. Today we got the caramel bead on with a, I think that's a size 10 or 12 hook. Clear water, and I see a salmon up here, so I'm gonna drift and try and catch that thing. I just came to this big pool right here in the creek, and it's loaded with salmon, so I'm gonna try and get this one. This one's right before the pool, sitting in the current, so I'm gonna see if I can get it. If not, then I'll just drift the pool. And then I'll move up. I'm all tangled up here. All right, here's the deal. So there's two salmon here. There goes one right now. One of them's backing out. I think there's still another one along with this one. There might be three. We're gonna get a split shot on. All right, guys, let's get back in the water. All right, I'm gonna leave this one for now. Walk down the creek a little bit. And that's why. All right, guys, new spot, drifting a bead. See if we can make anything happen. Two fish right here. He ate it and spit it out. Here comes another one. Oh, I got him. He ate it. Got him. Fish on. Let's go. On the caramel bead. Right in the mouth. On the caramel bead. He's not really moving too much, and I don't want to rip the hook out. So let me see if I can drag him. Low energy. But I know he's going to get a run out of nowhere. There he goes. He's trying to go down. I can't move him. And there's another one sitting there. I can't move this fish right now. He's so freaking big. My hook's gonna be bent. Smaller than the salmon in the previous salmon video. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he beached himself. Hooked right in the mouth. Right there. Look at the teeth on this thing. I don't know if I need a picture of him. Here comes another one as we speak. But there's our first salmon of the day. Guys, I'm hooked into the biggest salmon I think I've ever seen. It just ate my bead like crazy. It might chew right through my line. Oh no, don't do that. Oh my gosh. It's running like crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna land it because there's no land around. I was just walking down the creek, saw this monster, and drifted my bead, boom, gone, ate it. Ate it on like the third drift. If it takes me in that tunnel, it'll be a pretty good fight. She's just slowly going, never mind, she ain't doing it slow. I gotta chase her. Or him. This is definitely the biggest salmon I think I've had on. All right, into the darkness. I gotta follow it. It's still running. Oh, I'm tangled. Oh, it's stuck, it's stuck. It landed itself. It's trying to go back in the water. Oh my God, there's like 4 salmon right here. Where is it? Oh, it's just stuck right there. It landed itself, and then I broke off. 35 at the tip of the tail, or the tip of the nose. 35 inches. So, in its prime, probably 15-pound fish. Not the biggest fish I've caught. Let's keep her upright. And then she'll find a pool, like how she's doing right now. And she'll just sit in the current and revive herself, see? So what she's doing right now, she's good to go. So we're gonna let that fish go. There we go, guys. Second salmon of the day landed. Hooked up in the mouth. Salmon running like crazy. And I got the biggest one in the pool. Oh, there's another one. He's pissed. So are the other ones, and they're not even hooked. He devoured this bait. I can't wait to land him and show you guys. He's not even gonna fit in the net. How am I gonna do this one person? He's massive. Time to get on the land again. Come this way, don't run that way. Oh my God, he ate this bait so much. He like choked it. Got to sound like a bass fisherman. This might be the biggest salmon I've had on my rod before. I don't know if it's gonna be the heaviest, but it'll definitely be the longest. Guys, I haven't even made it to my spot yet, by the way, and I've caught, this would be my 6th hookup of the day, 6th or 7th. If he runs, that's gonna be fun. Oh, here he goes. And I'm stuck. Come back down. Nope, he's going up. He's going up. I'm tangled. Dang it, I'm on like tippity top of this tree. There we go. He's stuck. This is my opportunity to land him. Oh my gosh. There's no way that fish is on my line right now. That's the freaking biggest salmon I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Got him. We landed him. Let's go. Let's take a look where this fly is in his mouth for all of the people who say salmon don't eat. See it way in there? Way in there. Look at this fish. Bait is out. Set it down for now. So tip of the tail. Oh, he's gonna push it. 36.5. He's the biggest one that I've caught by half an inch. 26.5 by 19. You guys heard it here. Oh my gosh. He's huge. We're gonna release this fish now, guys. My biggest king salmon ever. Going into the water to be released. Biggest king salmon I've ever caught. We're just gonna let him sit there and rest. And I'm sure he'll kick off eventually. I'm just gonna get out of his way. There he goes. Nice and healthy. Back into the wild. Ooh, he swam off like he's ready for another fight. Let's go, guys. Yes. Another monster on. Hooked right in the mouth. Come up the stream. Don't go down. Don't go down. Don't go down. Please don't go down. Oh, there's the egg right in its mouth. If it takes me downstream, it's gonna take me into those trees, and that can't happen. I can't let it do that. Come up here. It's right in the corner. It's just flopping. It moved into the shallow water, so it's just flopping around. I wonder if I can go in and grab it. Can you land it? Can you land it? I got it. Landed it. And there's the proof that it ate. Right in the freaking corner of the mouth. Hook comes out super easy. 32 by 18. So 12-pound salmon right here. There we go. Let's get her back in the water. I'm just gonna hold her upright for a little bit, get her revived, and then we can probably head out of here.